The whole thing literally just ripped out of the fucking soil. So it's safe to say that this kale did not make it. Oh my god. I'm afraid to even open this joint. The seedlings might have survived though. I'm not entirely sure, but this joint just got crushed. Listen, we tried. I don't even want to open it. Oh, I gotta take a walk, bro. Nah, I'm gonna open it. This sucks. This sucks a lot. These joints are done. I mean, I feel like the foundation of this entire setup was straight trash. Definitely couldn't withstand fucking 2 feet of snow. This joint looks terrible. The seedlings look terrible. Leaves are dying. This might be it, bro. Might be throwing in a towel with this kale. Damn, I can't even look at this joint, yo. Yeah, so this bad boy collapsed on me. Before I moved it a little, it was like down here. And you can just tell a lot of this was pushed in. This one a little bit, this one for sure. And my guy back here, straight crushed. The snow's so deceiving. I thought that the plastic held, but it didn't. Thankfully the plastic on this side did, so those ceilings didn't really get crushed, but these bad boys. Oh, there's definitely something under there. Oh my god. I am sorry. The whole thing literally just ripped out of the fucking soil. Most of them, I feel like these are still probably salvageable, maybe? I legit tried to rip off a dead leaf and the whole plant came out of the ground. I guess for the time being, I'm gonna keep them both out here. There's really not much I can do. I'm gonna head back to Jersey City in a little bit. All of the broccoli looks good. Some of the lettuce got crushed, and the kale. I don't know about the kale, to be honest. Just gotta give this one over to the streets, son.